This workpiece, you want it, you just keep it straight, and this is how I like to just visualize it. Okay, I want the angle to go downwards, so that means my angle for this vise has to go this way. Okay, so that means the short, if I want it to go this way, that means the short has to go on the top, the long has to go on the bottom. Okay, so I'm going to square it off, and then I'm going to slightly kick it in the direction that I want it. Watch out, I'm just going to move this over. Okay, I'm going to drag this up. Okay. This one here, it doesn't matter where the number goes. I just want to make it a whole number, so 15. See how it's starting to move?
At how much we have to rotate this?
3 degree.
Yeah.
No, from the
Yeah, 3 degree.
So this dial indicator should not move because this angle of 3 degrees should be direct 0. So this here should tram 0.
Okay.
See how it's not touching at this point? It's not touching. So this one I want to make my 15.